Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Bitcoin is in a precarious position right now, folks. The price has been stuck in a tight consolidation between $75,000 and $88,000 for weeks, with no clear indication of where it's headed next. At Bitcoin Bulletin, we've got our eye on the market, and today we're going to dive into what analysts are saying about this critical juncture. According to Manish Chetri, a prominent Bitcoin analyst, the current consolidation is actually a sign that the price is working off some of its recent losses. If we look at the charts, you can see that the Bitcoin price peaked out around $40,000 back in November, and then it took a sharp decline to just above $30,000. Since then, it's been a bit of a wild ride, with the price bouncing back up to nearly $50,000 before giving back some of those gains. Now, what's interesting is that the consolidation that we're seeing now isn't necessarily a sign of a breakout to the upside. Instead, it looks like the market is just taking its time to figure out where it wants to go from here. And according to Manish, that means that Bitcoin could potentially extend this range for a bit longer. We've got some technical indicators that suggest the price is looking pretty bullish right now. For example, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is actually showing a slight uptrend, which is often seen as a sign of momentum building in the market. And if we look at the moving averages, you can see that they're starting to cross over from bearish to bullish, which is also a pretty positive sign. But here's the thing. Just because the indicators are looking good doesn't mean that the price is going to go up automatically. The market is always unpredictable, and there are plenty of factors that could influence where Bitcoin ends up in the short term. And Manish Chetri warns us not to get too caught up in the hype. We need to keep a close eye on the fundamentals and make sure that our analysis is solid. So what's the takeaway here? Well, at Bitcoin Bulletin, we think it's pretty clear that the price of Bitcoin could potentially extend its consolidation for a bit longer. But before you start making any big trades or investments, take a step back and make sure you've got your ducks in a row. Do your research, do your analysis, and always keep your wits about you when it comes to the markets. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Bitcoin Bulletin. We'll catch you on the flip side.